Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passwordless SSH with SSH keys on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To activate passwordless SSH with SSH, log into your VPS using your existing username and password. Once logged in, check if SSH key generation is necessary by typing ls/.ssh. If the directory does not exist or is empty, you'll need to create a key pair. Generate the SSH key pair by executing SSH keygen TRSAB 4096. You will be prompted to specify a file location for saving the key. Press Enter to accept the default location or enter a custom path if desired. Next, you can choose to enter a passphrase for extra security or leave it empty for passwordless access. After confirming the passphrase, your SSH keys will be generated. Navigate to the .ssh directory by typing cd/.ssh. List the files to verify that the private and public keys are created. The private key will be named ID_RSA and the public key will be ID_RSA.pub. Now, copy the public key to your VPS by using the command SSH copy ID username at your _VPS_IP. Replace username with your VPS username and your _VPS_IP with your VPS's IP address. You will be asked to enter your password for the VPS once more. This process will add your public key to the authorized _keys file on your VPS. To connect without a password, log out of your VPS by entering exit. Now, test the passwordless login by typing SSH username at your _VPS_IP. You should be logged in without entering a password. In case of issues, ensure your permissions are correctly set. The .ssh directory should have permissions set to 700 by executing chmod 700/.ssh. The authorized _keys file should have permissions set to 600 by executing chmod 6. You have successfully activated passwordless SSH using SSH keys on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.